How to avoid being a broke giver. Let's talk about something no one warns you about. Being kind is good. Being generous is good. But being broke dahil kakabigay, that's not holy. That's not noble. That's trauma. This is for the people na laging nagbibigay, laging umiintindi, laging okay lang ako. Pero secretly, nag-check ng balance pagkatapos. Don't get me wrong, God loves a cheerful giver. But how do we avoid being a broke giver? First, accept that you're not an ATM. Hindi ka walking paymaya. Hindi ka emergency fund ng buong barangay. Just because may pera ka, doesn't mean required kang magbigay. Your money is not a public property. Hindi mo responsibilidad ang lahat. Set limits before your wallet does. Kung ikaw ay nagbibigay hanggang maubos, hindi ka generous. Wala kang boundaries. Mag-set ka ng limit habang kalmado ka pa. Kasi once na zero na ang balance mo, late na para maging wise. Boundaries are not madamot. Boundaries are adulting. Learn to say I can't without explaining everything. Hindi mo kailangan ng essay. Hindi mo kailangan ng backstory. Hindi mo kailangan ng trauma-drama. Hindi ko pa kayang magbigay ngayon. Full sentence na yan. So kung kailangan mo pang mag-justify para igalang ka, red flag na yon. Check your intention before giving. Ask yourself, gusto ko bang magbigay? Or natatakot lang ba akong magmukhang masama? Giving out of guilt will always make you resentful later, and resentment is expensive, emotionally and financially. Give from abundance, not from pressure. Remember that you can't pour from an empty bank account. Self-care is not selfish. Saving is not greedy. Choosing yourself is not a crime. You can be kind and still be financially okay. You don't need to be broke to prove that you have a good heart. So if you're a giver watching this, you are allowed to pause. You are allowed to say no. And you are allowed to keep money for you. Because a broke giver eventually stops giving. And the goal is to help sustainably, not to disappear silently.